today we didn't use these old fire pits they have, and we made our own little fire can. These are very simple to make. All you need is a big tin can or a little one of some sort, like soup or something, and you'd use one of those really old-fashioned can openers to make those little holes in it. And you can use pliers to bend back the sharp bits so you don't get cut. And you use your tin snips. This is optional to make a feeding hole. I find it a little bit easier if you use a feeding hole, because if you have a pot or something on top, you can just feed a stick in like this. But if you have a pot, you have to like move the pot and then stick it in. Like this, it's much easier because you could just leave it sitting out like that. And then once that ends in there, lights and burns down, you'd push it in a little bit more until the whole thing is burnt down. There was a beaver munching on a tree over there and created all these little beaver wood chips, and they burn extremely well. I didn't know that there was beavers in this area until now. We also cooked some food on this thing. We cooked a couple of sausages using a grill. This is the grill here. It's just a regular plate grill, kind of. We cooked 2 sausages and 2 hot dogs. The sausages were very tasty. They tasted like on a barbecue. And that's all. If you haven't known that I was here before, I'll just put a link to the previous video, and you should see it on your screen right here. And that's all I want to show you guys. Bye.